Here to have Joey Dempsey back with us again, and we certainly are looking forward to their music. Joey, I see you got a young man with you.
Yeah, the band's getting bigger here. Hugh, I've brought Jonathan along here. He's a great guitar player, taught by myself, of course.
Oh, he's taught to you. And what is he to you?
He's actually my son.
Is he? And does he speak there at all?
Yes, and he plays a lot of different styles, but he can play the bluegrass here. It's fantastic. Do you want to ask him?
Yes, I'd like to ask him a few questions. Jonathan, how long have you been playing the guitar?
Well, Hugh, I've been playing the guitar since I was about 6 or 7 years of age, and I got the bug from my dad and my uncle Mervyn. And my dad has had a guitar or a fiddle or a banjo in his hands as long as I can remember. And I mean, when we were growing up as kids, he always was playing the guitar or playing the fiddle, and some nights you were in bed, he was still playing the guitar, playing the fiddle. So the bug had just rubbed off on me, and I've been playing ever since.
I hear that you're a very good player. Is that correct?
Well, I wouldn't. I'll leave you to judge that, Hugh, and everybody else.
Well,
I would just play to amuse myself, and whether it's good or bad, I still enjoy it.
Those that have heard you have told me that you're very, very good. But you're not only a man that does a bit of guitar playing. You do a wee bit of cycling, don't you?
Oh yes, I do a lot of cycling and keeping fit and running and things like that there. Again, it's just something I enjoy, and I hope I can continue in that vein for the rest of my days.
Well, have you ever achieved anything of this cycling?
I have. My biggest achievement was I was Irish champion time trialist a few years back in the year 2000, and I've won a lot of the big road races all over Ireland and Northern Ireland, and I have a few championship medals, Ulster medals, and as I say, the All Ireland one gives me my greatest pleasure.
So you're pretty dedicated then to this cycling?
Well, it's like playing an instrument or anything else in life. You've got to put the hours into it, and as I say, I've worked hard at it, and I have reaped the rewards and got great satisfaction out of it.
Right. And you boys have come along here to play us a few tunes. How are you going to play us here?
Well, we do 3 today. Is that okay?
Oh, that's
Can
perfect.
we do 3
Yes.
tunes?
Yes.
Well, we do a little shuffle here in the key of D, Jonathan. Okay, for starters. We'll explain a wee bit about some of our tunes when we come off this. Okay.
terrific. That's good guitar playing there.
That's not bad now. It's this kind of thing is. It looks pretty easy, but it's pretty hard to do, you know.
Yes, he certainly is good.
He's certainly good.
You know, I don't want him to hear me, you know, but he certainly is good.
Yeah, we'll put a head on him, will we?
Yes, and Julie,
Did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed that. That's some fiddle playing.
It's a very special style, and there's not many people playing it around here. I don't know why, but I think it's fantastic. The double stop, they call it,
yes.
or the bluegrass.
I've seen you plucking there.
Aye, we
sliding the finger.
Pizzicato, if Terence was here, he would call it Pizzicato. Our old friend.
That's the maestro.
The maestro was here himself.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll do this next one in homage.